Isang chapter na puno ng challenges, growth, and memories na habang buhay natin maaalala. Hindi lang bilang mga estudyante nakatapos, kundi bilang mga taong mas matatag, mas matalino, at mas handa sa susunod na yugto ng ating buhay. As we gather here today, the warm welcome gives us a reminder of our experiences, that every lesson we learned inside our classroom, every friendship we formed along the way, and every challenges we overcame together helps shape the people we are today. These experiences are what makes this milestone truly meaningful for all of us. Ngayon, tatahakin natin ang susunod na landas. Dala natin hindi lang ang kaalaman, kundi ang mga aral at karanasang humubog sa atin. This moving up is not the end. It is a new beginning. A beginning of bigger dreams, harder challenges, and greater opportunities. At kahit hindi natin alam kung ano ang eksaktong mangyayari sa ating hinaharap, isang bagay ang dapat sigurado. Handa tayo. Malayo pa ang ating lalakbayin, pero malayo na rin ang ating narating. Sa ating mga guro, magulang, panauhin at kapwa ko grade 10 completers, halina't ating saksihan ang isa sa pinakakapanapanabik na pangyayari sa ating buhay bilang junior high school. Ang moving up ceremony. I welcome you all to Binalasan Integrated School's moving up ceremony for the school year 2025 to 2026. Maraming salamat po and congratulations to all of us.